Okay, so here welcome you to this lesson. Let us provide solution to these questions before us. So question number 1, it reads, solve the equation. So we can see that we have question number 1a, 12a, which is saying that solve the equation 3 to the power 1 minus 2x, okay, plus 4 is equal to 5, like this. Okay, so we are told to find the solutions to this particular question. Okay, so now how can we solve this question? So we should group the like terms together, where we say that 3 to the power 1 minus 2x is equal to 5 minus 4, where we know that we remain with 3 to the power 1 minus 2x is equal to 1. Okay, so now according to the rules of indices, we know that any number to the power of 4, any number or any letter raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 0, it gives 1. So meaning we need to write the reverse process of this one, where we know that it is the same as 3 to the power of 0. 3 to the power of 0, it will give us 1, like this. Okay, so our next step here, we should know that we should group we should equate the power. Since the bases here, they are the same, like this. We have 3 here, 3 raised to the power 1 minus 2x. Also here we have 3 raised to the power 0. So we should equate when the bases are the same, we equate the power. So we have 1 minus 2x is equal to 0, like this. Now we say that when this one here, when we group the like terms, it is negative 2x is equal to 0. When this one goes this side, it becomes minus 1, where to get the value of x, we should divide both sides by negative 2. Also here, not really. So here, where we know that we have negative 2x is equal to 0 minus 1, that is negative 1. Then we divide both sides by negative 2, negative 2. So where x is equal to 1 over 2. This is the answer. Now, the next question here, question B, they are saying that the diagram below shows a sector A or B. So this is a sector A or B whose area is 231 square centimeters and radius 14 centimeters. The angle subtended at the center is theta. So the angle that is here is theta. Then they are saying find the value of theta, take pi to be equal to 22 over 7. So now we should know that area of the sector B, area of the sector is given by the formula theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So here we can see that area is given already. Area is 231. Then we have theta here. We don't have theta, so we should find the value of theta over 360 multiplied by pi, which is 22 over 7 times radius. Radius here we are saying that it is 14 squared, like this. Next step, we say that 231 is equal to theta over 360 multiplied by 22 over 7 times this one 14 squared, which is the same as 14 times 14, where we know that 7 here 1, 7 into 14 goes there 2 times. We can also reduce this one here, where we can say that 2 into 2 1, 2 into 360, it goes there 180. So we have remained with 231 is equal to theta over 180 times 22 times 14, like this. Okay, so next, what should we do? Again, we can try to reduce the numbers where possible. We know that 2 can go into 14 7 times. 2 into 180 because they are 90 times. Okay, again we can try to reduce by 2. 2 into 21, that is 11. 2 here into 90, it goes there 45. So we have remained with 231 is equal to theta over 45 times 11 times 7, like this. Now here, let us solve for theta. How can we solve for theta? Okay, can this 7 go into 45? Yes, but it will leave a remainder of 3. So what should we do? We should just multiply everything here on top. So we'll write that 331 is equal to theta times 11 times 21, it will be theta times 11 times 7 over 45. Then we balance up the fraction, we cross multiply here. So where we know that this one and this one, they will be multiplied together. Okay, so here what should we do? We know that this times this, it will give us 77. If we want, we can multiply 11 times 7, that is 77. Or we can just do this, where we can just write this one, it will give us 231 times 45 is equal to theta times 11 times 7. Then we divide both sides by 11 over by 11 times 7, also here over 11 times 7, where 11 times 7 will cancel. Okay, we have remained with the theta, so theta is equal to 231 times 45 over 11 times 7. Now at this stage we can reduce the values that we have. So where we know that this theta will be equal to, where we know that 11 in not 3, so we can just use 7 into 7, 1. How many times can 7 go into 231? So we know that 7 into 23 goes there how many times? 3 times. 3 times remainder 2. Okay, 7 into 23, it goes there 3 times, remainder 2. So it has become 21, this one. 7 into 21, it goes there 3 times. Okay, so 3 times 45 over here we have remained with 11. So where we can say that theta is equal to 11 into 11, 1. 11 into 33 goes there 3 times. So we have 3 multiplied by 45, where we know that 3 multiplied by 45, it will give us, okay, here we have 15, carry 1, okay, 12, okay, that is 135 degrees. So theta is equal to 135 degrees. This is the solution to this question.